for the Refrigerator Invitational Championship. And they're off. And a good start for He's a Party Wagon in lane number 2, drifting out a bit. At the rail is Apolitical Fast Prize. Instigator is accelerating on the outside. Here comes Instigator. Instigator going to the lead. He's a Party Wagon is next. Then comes Whirlaway Wagon and Apolitical Fast Prize. Instigator has done it again. Another Grade 1 win. It was tight for second behind him as Instigator and Juan Pulido draw off with the Refrigerator. Nine, Instigator was first. 1, Apolitical Fast Prize held second. It was tight for third. The time here, 21.084 seconds. Not a track record, but it threatened it. Impressum's record from last year of 21.03. 9-1 in a photo here.